Group 5 Productions.
Good day, esteemed Polinians. I am Julius P. Aro, your reporter for Group 5. Today, you'll learn about variations. Let's start. First and foremost, what are variations? You might ask yourself that question every day. What are variations? If you aren't looking for variations, you can skip to the next video. Just kidding. Well, on this board, in math, there are four variations, each with their own different formulas and solutions to solve certain problems. The first one is direct variation. In a direct variation, when one quantity increases, the other also increases at a constant rate. Basically, its formula is y equals k, which the k is constant. And an example of this would be the more hours you work, the more pay you earn. If you earn 100 pesos per hour, then your total pay would be y equals 100x. Did you know direct variation is the first and simplest form of variation? Moving on to the second one, inverse variation. Inverse variation is a variation where one quantity increases, then the other decreases. The formula commonly used is y equals kx, where the k is still constant. A real-life example of inverse variation is the speed of a job and the time it takes to finish are inversely related, but the faster you go, the less time it takes. This example means the harder you work on something, the less time it takes to finish. The two final variations are the joint and combined variations. These two variations are almost similar but have different characteristics. Joint variation is when one quantity varies directly with two or more other quantities at the same time. The formula we have to follow is y equals kxz, where k is constant. What this means is that if x or z increases, y also increases. Since it's directly proportional to both, the variables work jointly to affect y. A real-life world scenario is the cost of building a wall varies jointly as its length and the height of each. That means C equals KLH. Now for combined variation is when one quantity varies directly with some quantities and inversely with others at the same time. It's usually written as y equals kxz. It's a combination of direct and inverse variation. Example, the time T needed to complete a job varies directly as the amount of workers W and inversely as the number of workers N. So, T equals KWN. Now to reason why these variations can help us in our daily lives. These variations have different solutions for certain problems and they can be expressed so simply and effectively with no matter the problem given. Real world examples like the number of workers and the time it takes to finish a building can all be measured and calculated to see how many workers can finish the job. So yes, the four math variations can help us understand and measure the equation with simplicity and efficiency very well. That is all. Thank you. I am Julius P. Aro and I am your reporter for Group 5.